These 5 free AI tools will save students hours of time, from taking notes to writing papers, even building presentations. If you're in high school or college, this will change the way you study. Tool number 1, Cider AI. First is Cider AI, a sidebar AI assistant that works on any web page, including PDFs and Google Docs. You can highlight any text, and Cider instantly summarizes, explains, or translates it. Think ChatGPT, but built into your browser. Just visit cider.ai, no download needed, and you're good to go. Tool number 2, Notion.so Notion AI. Next is Notion, the all-in-one workspace. With Notion AI, students can summarize notes, draft essays, or auto-organize study topics. The free student plan gives you full AI access. Just write your question and Notion AI does the work. Tool 3, Gamma.app. Need to make a presentation fast? Gamma turns a topic prompt into a beautiful deck in seconds, complete with headings, visuals, and bullet points. Just type your subject and hit generate. It's great for last-minute projects or solo class demos. Tool number 4, SciSpace.com. Struggling to read research papers? SciSpace explains any scientific paper or PDF in plain English, like a tutor built into your browser. Upload a paper, highlight any part, and get instant explanations, totally free for students. Tool number 5, JungleAI.com. JungleAI.com turns YouTube videos, PDFs, and articles into flashcards using AI, perfect for quick review sessions. Just upload the content and JungleAI.com auto-generates questions and answers. Free Chrome extension, no sign-up needed. Whether you're cramming for finals or just trying to stay ahead, these AI tools are the study hacks you've been waiting for. Like and subscribe if you want more tools that do your schoolwork smarter, not harder.